What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new 100% honest slime review. Today we are reviewing Putty Egg and Pacha slimes, and of course you can't review both of them without reviewing their collab slime line as well. So we do have Pacha Egg in the house that I'm super excited to show you, so let's get started, shall we? So first I thought we'd start with the Pacha Egg collab slimes. I actually got these at Kawaii's Slime Show and I bought these both as well as some of these other slimes here, but these were actually really cool because these are part of like their dark collection. So one of them is called like Circle of Hell, the other one is called 666 Hellfire. It's like super unique. I've never seen anybody do slimes like this with like a dark twist on it, so that's kind of cool, kind of scary, but really fun. So this first one here is a really nice slime and they all came sealed, which was amazing as well, you know, just for that added protection. This one here is actually a sand puff and I believe it's called Circle of Hell. It's really cool and it's scented like tea. It smells really good and it was just super crunchy. Definitely a texture that I've never felt before. The sand puff is something unique to Pacha slimes and Pacha Egg, so I've never seen anybody else do that texture, which is awesome. And the second slime that I snatched from Pacha Egg, this one is called 666 Hellfire, and this was another slime that was super unique in texture, and I loved it. It was actually an icy slime, but it had these gold bingsu beads in it, which was super cool. Gave the slime a nice crunch, yet it was super soft from the icy texture. It was just so amazing, and it also smelled really good too. I believe it was scented like marshmallows and cinnamon, which obviously you can't go wrong there because it's amazing. Next up, we have two slimes from Putty Egg. I've actually reviewed Putty Egg slime on my channel before, so you probably have already seen that. If you're new, then you probably haven't, so you should check that out. I got two slimes, so one of them I actually got at the Kawaii's Slime Show, and then the other one, this one right here, the Peanut Butter Cookie, I got at Slime Expo New York City too. So let's go ahead and review them. So the first slime here is called Gothic Pink, and it was super nice. This was another one of the Dark Collection slimes, but this one was Putty Eggs. This one's super cool. It had a really nice clear texture and a lot of like glitter in there as well. And it even came with a cross charm that I thought was really nice as well. Peanut Butter Cookie is a DIY clay slime from Putty Egg. I was actually gifted this at Slime Expo New York City too, and I'm super grateful because I love peanut butter cookies. They're like one of my favorite cookies ever, and this one looks and smells so realistic. It's insane, and I really loved mixing the clay in. It was a little bit stiff at first, but I saw on Putty Egg's story that you have to really work the clay in first. It's just, you know, depending on the type of clay, some clays do that, and afterwards it was a really nice and smooth texture. Next up, we are moving on to Pacha Slimes. I've actually never reviewed Pacha Slimes before or even felt her slime, so I was super excited. We actually traded these two slimes here. So this one is called Monarchs Honeycomb, and then the other one I believe is called Ramune Candy. So this slime is called Ramune Ice Candy, and it smells exactly like original Ramune, which is like a bubblegum soda type scent. It smells super good, and I love this slime's texture. It was like two textures in one, but also had some crunchy beads. I don't think they were bingsu beads, but I could be wrong. I'm not too sure. They're just amazing. I love the crunch that they provided, and I love how this slime was layered. It smelled exactly like original Ramune, and I loved it. Monarchs Honeycomb was a super beautiful gold slime. I loved it so much. It was clear base at the bottom, and then on the top it was packed full of bingsu beads. They were gold. They just looked so beautiful and so regal. I love the scent of this slime as well. It was kind of sweet yet florally at the same time. So it was really nice. This slime was just super crunchy and amazing. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this Putty Egg, Pacha Slimes, and Pacha Egg review. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes were your favorite to look at and which one do you plan on snatching from them. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!